Want to see what a $20,000 Italian pizza oven looks like? This is it right here. It weighs 2,200 pounds. It's super heavy. We have to get a forklift just to get it out of the crate. Now we have to get a pallet jack because the forklift doesn't fit on our site yard, so we can go to the backyard to install it. So we're gonna have to get a pallet jack just to move it out of here. Anyways, I'm super nervous because if this thing falls, it breaks, it's $20,000. All right, and now to wrap it up, because that was really scary, and I was afraid we're gonna break that $20,000 pizza oven. I took the guys to lunch because I think we all earned it.